In this machine, you can manufacture square bottom paper bags and V bottom paper covers. Now, we can see how we can manufacture SOS, covers, and handle shopping bags using this combo machine. We can produce both paper covers and paper bags in single machine. FTC, computerized paper cover and paper bag making combo machine. In this machine, you can manufacture square bottom paper bags and V bottom paper covers. Now, we can see the running of V bottom paper covers. Auto printing for any length, no need to change any cylinders. Front and back printing for paper covers, this would enhance customization for customers' requirement. Edge pasting for front and back printing. Bottom gluing and pasting for making V bottom paper covers. All operations using HMI, that is touch screen. This is finished V bottom paper covers, fully automatic operation. Now, we can see how we can manufacture SOS, covers, and handle shopping bags using this combo machine. For paper shopping bags, customization is core. We can do printing on gusset with our machine. We can make larger gusset using our adjustable width plates, maximum 7.5 inches, that is 18 centimeters. We use straight cutting setting for making tube and idle the bottom glue section for making paper shopping bags and SOS covers. After making as a tube, we will crease bottom lines for square bottom folding and cut edges for straight cutting. After creasing, we will manually fold square bottom folding and paste it manually. If SOS covers, the process ends with this. After square bottom folding and pasting, we use handle gluing machine to paste paper handle on bags. Now the process ends with making handle paper shopping bags with our machine. Advantage of FTC computerized paper cover and paper bag making combo machine. 1. Auto printing for any length. 2. We can produce both paper covers and paper bags in single machine. 3. All operations on HMI touchscreen. 4. No need to change gears for each length. 5. No need to change width plates for each width. 6. No need to change printing cylinders for each length printing. FTC Machines, Coimbatore.